Yeah, so I've been using it for about 2 weeks, and I pretty much use it like I did my normal toothbrush. So typically about twice a day, occasionally in between if it's a weekend and I've been chowing down on food. But yeah, it pretty much fits in just like a normal toothbrush, same timing. The nice thing is just though it feels even cleaner at the end. Yeah, so first of all, it feels like it's less effort to get the same stuff that I would from a normal toothbrush. And then on top of it, it's even better because a lot of times I have a little bit of issue with my gums. And this, I don't even have to like focus on brushing on the gums. I just put it in the mouth, covers the gums, covers the teeth. It's perfect. Yeah, so when I went back to a normal toothbrush just for a little bit, yeah, I felt like I had to brush super hard just to get the same sort of feeling. Where this whole thing, it's gentle on me, but it feels like it's tough on actually the cleaning. Yeah, so where it was customized to my mouth, it was perfect because if you think of if this wasn't customized, then it'd be places it might miss, places it might hurt more. But the fact that it was actually tailored to my mouth, it was perfect. And also, I have a small mouth, so it worked out perfectly so that it covers all parts of my mouth, and it's not, it's getting every bit of my mouth. Yeah, so what intrigued me is first off the look of it. I mean, because it kind of looks like a mouth guard. So yes, it does look weird, but again, no one's watching you when you brush your teeth. So I really don't care how it looks, but it looked intriguing, and it's just an overall mouth experience. It's different from because I've used electric toothbrush before, and it's kind of like a manual toothbrush where you still have to figure out where you go. This, I don't have to figure out where I'm going. It's just everywhere. I move it around, and I know I'm covering my whole mouth with just a few little waves of my hand. And what's kind of interesting is I did what I've seen from tutorials, but I also kind of did my own. So I'll kind of go in one direction for a little bit, and then I'll go the other way. And then it honestly already feels like my whole mouth is clean, but just because of, I think, when I'm still thinking about manual toothbrushes, I still kind of like go a little more to the bottom, a little more to the top just to get more. But it's an overall clean. I don't even have to do this extra movement. So the favorite thing for me is just how fully it gets my mouth, and it's so easy. I still probably use it for like a minute or two, but really it only takes 30 seconds. But because I'm still thinking about the old manual toothbrush, I go more. But honestly, my mouth feels clean after like 45 seconds. Honestly, it just naturally fits because, it's just kind of a handle. So it fits on the hand. And what's nice is where the power button is, it's just like a, remote control. It's just right where my thumb would be. And then when you put it in, it's not like I have to grip it hard or anything. I just hold it and I can just move. So it's not too bad ergonomically. The reason I love this is it cleans my whole mouth in less time than a manual toothbrush, less effort than a manual toothbrush. It's super simple and easy. And honestly, it makes me want to brush more because it's just so easy. I don't have to think about what areas of the mouth I'm getting. It just gets it all. So yeah, that's why I love it.